Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. We're back live at it again. Pandas, hope you guys are doing well. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Market just open. Let's get that bamboo, pandas. Let's get that bamboo. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, pandas. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. We're back live at it again. Why do we say TGIM here? Because that means we get to come back and do what we love most with the community we love most. Albert Emo, good morning. Mawashi, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Market just open. Let's let this shake out a little bit here. As far as our accounts go, we're about 4,000. I would love to be above 5,000. And once I'm above 5,000, I would feel pretty comfortable. Once we're above 5,000 with these 50K accounts, like I feel pretty comfortable. Like the 50K accounts, the hardest part about them is to create enough buffer so you can trade comfortably. Because you only have, what, 2,500 threshold when you first begin. So matey. I'll take that hit. Woo! Just took it out right in time. It's a second inch short. Got it with like good risk there. Yeah. We'll take it. Just the first second inch short. Right in the open. Big push up. Probably fill the gap on the regular trading hours, in my opinion. I may just jump in on this trade. We shall see, though. Setting up pause here a little bit. First entry. Enough to make a new high. Fair enough. Doesn't do much. Oh, okay. Never mind. Comes back up. Okay, comes back down. Just absolutely diabolical here. Let's try. Let's try to get some bamboo here. How much am I willing to risk here? Probably not too much. I don't want to risk too much. Two bear bars, I'm out. Two bear bars, I'm out. Okay. Another push up. Another first entry here. Let's see what we can do. High. Can we get more than that? It's a question. Doesn't look like it. It's just floating. Just holding. I'm not risking too much here. I might come back to the 20 MA. I get hit here. Darn. Fair enough. It's getting completely sideways now. 0-2, pandas. I might just end it right here. 0-2, just right off the bat. Trying to fill that gap on the regular trading hours. How much did I risk there? I didn't think I risked that much. Again, like 12. Okay, now it goes up after it takes me out, unfortunately. That's the move I wanted, but obviously came in a little too early. Unfortunate. Right, broke this pivot low, resetting the counts. Now we're going to fill the gap here. Darn it. It's all good, pandas. It's all good. I mean, I'll take free gold here. I'll take free gold. If he comes back up, take free gold here. Free gold trade. Here we go. Free gold trade. Oh, man. No joy on the free gold trade. No joy on free gold trade. All right. That's annoying. It's quite annoying, actually. Just lost 3 in a row. Couldn't fill the gap, right? Like, we have a gap to fill, and we were, like, 7 points away from it. And
2,500 tick trap.
Strong bull bar. 5-minute chart. Pulls back deeply. Now the free gold trade maybe here. I don't know. I mean, I try to get here, but obviously it does it after. So it takes me out every single time before I actually get my trade idea work out. Every single time. Free gold trade here.
2,500 tick trap.
Can we get a little bit of bamboo today on this trade? I'll take it. Any good bamboo here would be nice. I'll take it out on the first reversal. There it is, first reversal.
Target filled.
I'll take it out on the first reversal. All right. First reversal, strong bear bar ending on nearest low, and then just gets folded. Absolutely diabolical here. Trying to get to the previous week's close now on the Globex session. Spike in channel, that's all it is. Just trying to go long here. I've been trying to go. I went long here, went long here, went long here. Finally got one successful scalp. So silly. Oh, I only went short one time here. Can you please create an order? Free gold trade again. I'll take it if you can get free gold.
Filled.
Not even 10 points. Silly scalp, but it's all good. Took on the first reversal, but could have held it, obviously, for more bamboo. Big move up. Fills the, or retest the previous week's close on the Globex session. Second entry long here. Maybe. We shall see. Good morning, Pandas. Well, we're down 335 today. Not good. It's not bad. Not too shabby. I'm, what is it? 1, 2, 3. I'm 1 and 3 right now. No, I'm 2 and 3, actually. But my scalps of winning have been really small. Can't quite trigger the second pullback here. Making it look, makes it feel like it's quite bullish here. It looks like it wants to make a new high. It looks like it wants to make a new high with that green second entry long. Because very close. It could not create the second pullback,
2500
right?
tick trap.
But it wants to make a new high before doing so. So once that second, I want that second pullback to get higher chances, higher probability. But this is being, right, it's not creating a second pullback, showing how strong the bulls are. Can't even create a second pullback on the 500 tick chart here on this really strong move to the upside. And we're not going to get it. It's going to make a new high. Yep, you can't even do it here. You know, it just keeps on. Okay, finally get it. Now it's like in an awkward position here. The really bad signal bar. Second entry long. Awkward second entry long. Very awkward looking second entry long. Right, it's near like the previous pivot high plus bad signal bar plus not close to support. But it felt like it was so bullish here. Like it was so eager to push up. I'm going to just try here. It might take me a break even before it actually has any follow through. No follow through on the strong bull bar ending on its high. But just in case there is, let's try to take advantage of it. Just in case there is some strong follow through. Nope. Gives me some big slippage here. I don't like Ninja Trader. Why it's so slow. Gives me 3 points of slippage. Gives me more than 3 points of slippage because I was trying to come out break even. Takes me out. It comes back up. Do I jump in on this now is the question. It's quite diabolical. I feel like, yeah, lots of pullbacks. Right, I felt like it was very bullish because it had a hard time making its first pullback or the second pullback, and it did. Well, it did in the second pullback or second entry, but I don't know. We'll see. There's a lot of bear bars now in the mix of things. Finally touched the 20 EMA. Big push back down to the previous week's close, looks like. Two strong bear bars going to it. Big reversal here. Very confusing. Starting to look like a trading range of some sort. Right, lots of overlapping bars. Big wicks here. We don't quite get to the previous week's close. Now we do. This is a very classic trading range price action where you get strong push up, a bull flag, you break the pivot high, and now you're going to test the bottom of the bull flag. Once we test the bottom of this bull flag, once we go beneath it, it is officially a trading range. Officially a trading range. Now, will the trading range continue? I don't know. Just like a trend, it could be a strong trend right in the beginning, but then just sputters out. Same thing. This can be a trading range. It doesn't quite get there, so we're still making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see.
2500 tick trap.
Sorry, Panis. All right, where are we? Where are we? So higher highs, higher lows. Sorry about that. We're down 405. Diabolical day already. Peak push up, big push down. That made me really. That would make me think trading range starting to develop here of some sort. Grinding to the upside here. The 5-minute always in long. Interesting. 5-minute turn always in long. I don't like this back and forth. I don't like this choppiness here. that choppiness, comes right back down. How deep is this pullback going to be? No one knows. Okay. That's overlapping bars. Okay. This is diabolical. Seems like the only way money if you just spy at the bottom of this. New high created. Still pushing strong up. Tate, good morning. Isaac, good morning. Drop those GMs in his chat. Scalp that like button if you haven't already. Hope you had an amazing weekend. TGIM Pandas. Thank God it's Monday. We're back live at it again. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday because we get to come back and do what we love most with the community we love most, Pandas. Isn't that right? Scalp that like button if you agree. Higher lows here. I don't know. I'll just chance it. Do I press my luck? Go on the first entry here. We did make a pullback. Not a deep pullback. This is silly. This is a silly little price action we got here. We got 3 small teeny bars here. Got 3 teeny little bars here. Oh, it's an outside bar, okay. I mean, strong bear bar ending on its low. I mean, first entry off the 20 MA. I mean, what are we up to here? Second entry long. It's a terrible signal bar, Panos. Is it? Yeah, it's not that good of a signal bar. Pushes down again here. Okay, that makes me definitely not want to take it. Oh, okay. Ends drastically different than how it began. Are we just in a strong uptrend? That's the question. Am I gonna just miss this really good second entry long? Am I gonna miss this really good second entry long here, Pandas? Like, how many times have I entered a second entry long with a strong bull bar and there's no follow through and it takes you up break even? Here, it does not do
2,500
so. The
tick
one
trap.
I don't enter does not have like a deep pullback, take you up break even. So I can't enter. The one time there's actual follow through, I'm not in the trade. It is what it is. Not 2 strong bull bars. This is gonna be diabolical here. Are we looking for something diabolical here? I'll like to see this come out, take all the runners out, and then come back up. This is where I get super pissed off, where I'm like, no follow through, 2 strong bull bars. Takes you out break even, and then goes the way you want it to go. But it has to take you out break even first. If it doesn't come back here and reload, I don't know. Looks like it looks like it should reload here.
2,500 tick
Good
trap.
signal bar to go long. Higher low here. Like I said, it needs to reload here. If it doesn't reload, it's not good enough for me. Right? It needs to take you out break even because that's the rule of the market. No runners allowed, no risk-free trades allowed. And this is currently a risk-free trade. That's crazy. Risk-free trade, Pandas. New high created. Let's see if it lasts, though. There's a risk-free trade currently ongoing right now. We're not part of it. Of course not. Because when I skip it, it will be like this a really amazing risk-free trade that just Makes a new high. Goodness gracious, so annoying. Snaps back down. I don't know what's going on here, Paris. It makes a new high just there. And it snaps back down after a strong bull bar. I don't know what's happening here. I truly don't know what's happening here. We're down 405. We're, what, 2 and 3, a record. Let's make some bamboo. All right, new high is created, but only after new high is created, it takes a risk-free trade out. All the runners are gone. Big reversal move here. 3 strong bear bars in a row. Could be a reversal here. Let's see. All right, just come back to the previous week's close. Why not? Why not? Currently, what I see is a higher high and a lower low. Potential trading range. Developing right here. Maybe fails second entry long. Could be juicy here. But the hard part about this is that can it set up at a good location, which is off the 20 EMA, and it looks like it's going away without us. Now it's like far away from 20 EMA, so it's hard to like the less probability here, right? On this trade. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Feels like entry long. Actually, it ends up being in a pretty good position, pretty close to the 20 MA. Nice push to the downside. Let's try to make a new low here if we can. No new low created. I gotta wait for the new low in my opinion, like the very least. On a trade like this, we'll wait for the new low. I won't take out break even here. I'll wait till the new low is created first. Then I'll move to break even. Once new low is created first. So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit. Here we go. New low created now. Let's let it cook. All right. I thought we can get a little bit more push down. Apparently not. Now we come up break even here. So the reversal is not very strong. I thought we could get a lot more than that. Apparently not. We make the new low. I guess I could have just scalped out that new low and be happy with 15 points. Not too shabby. Takes out break even and goes the way it wants to go. After new low is created though, so. What can you do about it? What can you do about it? I'm not like particularly enjoying this price action, to be honest. Lots of pullbacks, lots of overlapping bars, lots of confusion. Not sure, right? We had this amazing uptrend now. What's going on now? Who knows? Most likely trading range. Less likely reversal. But both can happen, of course. What is that? It's gross. Hitting second entry. Lower highs, lower lows. That's all I can say right now. Lower highs and lower lows. Pandas, I hope you're doing better than me. Tath, good morning. Austin here, good morning. Luis, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. We're down 409. Our counts are all hovering around 4K. It's a good place to be. I mean, our counts are looking healthy. We have no reason to be aggressive here, especially on a Monday. Creating lower highs, lower lows again. Another lower low, maybe. Are we looking for it? All first entries making new lows here, but every new low is just barely deep pullback. Barely deep pullback. Maybe now it's time to break out. Who knows? But barely breaking the previous pivot low, and then has a deep pullback. It's just, you know, it's sus. It's sus. It is very sus, right? Just breaks the previous pivot low. Deep pullback here. Strong bull bars. I'm about to buy here. We're so close to this magnet. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm about to buy here, but who knows? Sell off this trend line. Oh, I see a pattern. Shall we dance, pandas? Shall we dance? Let's see if the pattern continues here. Strong bear bar, any nearest low? Triggers immediately for me. I don't want to risk too much on this sus trade here. I just saw a pattern and see maybe we can capture it. If we could partake in this diabolicacy.
Target filled.
I'll take it. Easy peasy. Every time a new pivot low was created, it had a deep pullback, so I just tried to take advantage of it one time. How many points was that trade? 14 points, I'll take it. Yeah, that was free bamboo right there. That strong bear bar was free bamboo. Back to the previous week's close. Previous week's close is just being the... I'm going to get rid of all my lines. I'm going to reassess the market right now. Big trading range, perhaps. Big up, big down. All right, we got a spike in channel here. Spiked in channel. And usually at the bottom of the channel is where you find the range. It's going to retest somewhere here, maybe come back up. Who knows? But these are very strong bear bars right now. I'm thinking trading range, but who knows? The ATR the last couple of days on the 500 tick chart have been just wild. It's above like 13 every single day. Wow, lower highs, lower lows every single time. Big snap down. The trading range indicator on the 5-minute chart is telling me the trading range looks like this. Spot on the top. Coming to the bottom, it might bounce off here. It was spot on. It caught it spot on the top of the trading range indicator here. I'm telling you, this indicator is like, it's wizardry. I don't even know how it works sometimes. And I created it. Not that I don't know how it works. I know exactly how it works, but it's amazing how it works itself out. It's crazy sometimes. Scary accurate sometimes. I can just short on a really strong push down, but very sus price action here. Retest the previous week's close here. We just love this area. We love this area here. I don't know. I'd rather do this. I'd rather do this here. when these things snap down like this, it usually means exhaustion, right? It usually means undershoot leading to an overshoot. So I'm going to take this instead. The fail second to short. Let's see if we get some bamboo here. It looks like no. Usually when it does this, it's not a good sign. Like, if the trap is good, it should just explode. It should just explode in the right direction. Usually when it does this and there's like hesitation, it's not a good sign. But, I mean, we could try. What do we have to lose here? A couple hundo. Just a couple hundo here. Okay. Good follow through bar. Oh, wow. Gets folded. Ouch. This is going to get me, huh? Gets folded immediately. It's all good. I'll take the hit. Come on, break even there. I don't like the price action. It can explode at this point. I don't care. But right off the bat, it didn't really do much, and then had a strong bull bar with no follow through. Like, that makes me very, very scared here. Like, I'm just not sure what's happening. I'm not very, like, yeah, well, okay. Well, good skunk there. Takes you out anyways. Good skunk. All my accounts are back above 4K now. I mean, we're down 132. Whoopie-doo. It's more or less break even for me. All right, this is diabolical. When you have a fail second to short and the trap also fails, you got like double trap here. Now the market's starting to show its true colors. It basically is not going to be friendly today. Making new low, looks like. Strong bear bar, anyone's low, no follow through. You're thinking it's going to make a new low here. At least that's what I'm thinking. It looks very unusual that it doesn't make a new low here. Like, if it comes back here, I gotta try. Like, new low. That's what I'm thinking, new low here. Maybe it needs like a lower high, I don't know. Whatever. Like, any new low will be good here. It does not make new low double bottoms. Absolutely diabolical here. I have a really small risk, whatever. Really small risk here. Looking for the new low. Still no new low created. Oh, new low created. All right. Easy peasy. Like, it wanted that new low and more. Golly, I could have just held. Wait for the first reversal or come out break even at this point. I could do that, but I just, whatever. I didn't think I was going to make it. I thought I was going to lose that trade, to be honest. So any bamboo was good. Big push to the downside. Maybe come back to the open. Could be opening reversal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bull bars. Like, not bull bars, but, strong leg up. Strong bull leg consisting of 5 bars. And reverses. So first 25 minutes, now opening reversal. We come back to today's open at the regular trading hours. Possibly, if it's an opening reversal, this could be a downtrend as well. It's hard to tell at this point. Golly, undershoot leading to nothing. I thought it would at least lead to the overshoot, but it does not do so. At this point, I'm looking at like this now. This is my channel here. We're grinding to the bottom of it. Three bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. But trading range indicator saying that we're at the bottom of the trading range now. It caught the top perfectly. Can they catch the bottom now? That's the question. I may be interested in a fail second entry short here, but the 5-minute looks bearish to me. I don't know. Pandas. Hope you guys are doing well. We're a 53 hole bamboo sticks. I'll take it. I mean, green is green, right, pandas? Green is green. Second entry short here. We're at a crossroads now. We're certainly at a crossroads. Okay, now we're getting above the 20 MA, so it makes it kind of easy to skip the second entry short, which is what I like to do. Ooh, it's a strong. Oh, ooh, small risk here. Okay, I'll try. Whatever. I mean, whatever. This is a very small risk trade. Potential good reward here, but maybe back to the previous week's close. Another strong bull bar snaps back down. I hate that. Ooh, I'll take this. I'll take this. Please, please, no retracement here. Please, no retracement here. Ooh, strong bull bar. Any near tie. Could be easy. Easy target to the previous week's close. Easy target. Easy target. Easy target. I think. Strong bull bar. Ooh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Ooh. Easy target? Ooh, strong bear bar? Can you break a previous candle's high, please? One time? Easy target? I don't want any part of this if it comes back down here. If it comes back down here, I don't want any part of this because it's diabolical. Easy target, can't even hit it. A very strong target here. Strong bull bars leading up to it. Still can't hit it. It's diabolical. Still can't hit it. It's so diabolical. I don't want any part of it goes below this pivot. But that's diabolical, right? Strong bull bar ending on its high, leading up to the easy target. It does not hit it yet. That is diabolical, pandas, I'm telling you. That is very diabolical. But I have nothing to... I mean, I have good bamboo, so even with this skunk here, it's decent bamboo. But I'm going to hold it to the easy target. I'm going to hold it to the previous week's close. I'm going to hold it and protect some bamboo. Like, that's just diabolical, right, pandas? The fact that you couldn't get to the easy target with bull bars leading up to it makes me feel like this is not very bearish, right? The bears had enough power to prevent it from hitting the easy target, which is the previous week's close. So we're up 349. That's fine. I could have been up, I don't know, 549 instead. Now strong bull bar ending on its high doesn't mean anything to me. This is just diabolical. I don't want any part of this. I don't want any part of this nonsense, pandas. It's actually absolute nonsense right now. Like the fact that we couldn't get it here, that is just diabolical, pandas. That's crazy work. That's crazy work. You can hit it now, but I really don't want any part of this. It's just, that's very vile. Very vile. There's red flags everywhere, right? Red flags. When you see that girl with red flags, just stay away. No matter how pretty it looks, or no matter how pretty this looks, it looks like it's certainly going to hit this. Too many red flags here. Just, no matter how pretty she looks, pandas, when you see those red flags, don't walk, run. You know what I mean? Don't walk, run. Too many red flags here. Pandas! We're up 349. I mean, it's not too bad, not too shabby. We're almost at our 5K target. That's our first target, I think, to make us feel safe. Our first milestone. 5,000. I can pull out my profits at like 8,000 some dollars. So I'm kind of far away from my first payout because I made like 2,500 one day, I think. My highest profitable day was like 2,500. It's like 8,033. 333. Again, no matter how pretty it looks, no matter how like likely it looks like it's gonna touch this, it's too many red flags. Look how many times I missed it. Look how many times I missed it already. Too many red flags here. It's just absolutely dumb. I don't want anything to do with this. Just let's let it play out, Panda. I mean, it's just, what are we gonna lose here? Like $100, $200? Seriously, it's not worth it. What are we gonna lose out on? A second entry long? Golly. I mean, how tempting can you make it? How absolutely tempting can you make this now? Second entry long now, but now how many overlapping bars? Just creating a pure trading range here. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Doji looking signal bar, forget about it. Forget about it. It can go ahead and do it without me. I just... Whatever, pandas, whatever. It's just too many red flags for me. Too many red flaggos. It triggers a second entry long, and of course it just does something diabolical and just reverses, right? You lose that trade. Right? That's where your stop loss is. Your stop loss is right here. You already lost a trade. If you have a swing trade, then your stop loss is here. Still okay for a swing trade. But too many red flags, right? Too many overlapping bars now. Missed it several times when it should have hit it here. Should have hit it here as well. And it's just not getting to it. Feels like an inch long. Instead, triggers. Right here. Big push down. Look at that. Look how diabolical that is. You don't want any part of this. Alright, now we got reloaded here. Let me try along here. We're at the bottom of the trading range. This is a different trade. Big, 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 big signal bar. Huge signal bar, in fact. Like, huge signal bar. Ooh, that's ugly. Again, I don't think I want any part of this. Look at that signal bar. It's large and terrible looking. But I'm willing to take a trade off the bottom of this potential trading range here. So if I do see a long trade here, I may try. But if it's strong bear bar like that, no thank you. Yeah, continuation. Feels like an inch long on the 2500 tick chart. It's getting absolutely diabolical here. Right now, I'm not looking too long. Look, we missed the easy target. So I got out. I'm fine with getting out here. It's just that's diabolical in my opinion. Golly. Whew. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 2500 tick with zero follow through. It's scary how low EV this is getting now. Strong bear bar ending on its low. No follow through. It looks like it wants a new low here. No follow through whatsoever. Now it's just reversing. It gets folded here. That is scary stuff, pandas. I'm telling you, this market is very scary. The ATR currently is 16, pandas. Don't forget it. The ATR is 16, almost 17 now. What? On the 500 tick chart, the ATR is almost 17. That's crazy work. That's crazy work. Okay. Looks like it wants a new low now. Let's see. Makes a new low here. That's annoying. Like, deep pullback. Good signal bar. There's definitely some bulls here. They're waiting. The bulls are charging up for something here. 5 minute completely overlapping bars. 3 completely overlapping bars. It looks like it wants a new low. Yeah, but such a deep pullback here. Okay, it makes a new low, snaps down. But that pullback, yeah, I mean, that's diabolical there. It makes a new low though, so makes sense in my opinion. Okay. Okay. 5 minute, right? Completely overlapping bars, causing another reversal here. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes to the top of this channel. I wouldn't be surprised. The market's EV is crazy low right now. Let's see. It might be time to turn to some micros here. We're up 349. Yeah. These are little scalps, but I count them as wins. We're 4-3 now. Right, we have a little scalp here. How many points was that? At least 10 points. I mean, it doesn't look like it's much because it came with a big retracement. That's 15-point trade. I mean, I'll take a 15-point trade, pandas. It's pretty nice. I think there's bulls. I think there's bulls waiting here. There's bulls waiting, in my opinion. It's showing a lot of like signs of reversing every time. Yeah, it's just when you see this happening, the strong bear bar ending on its low, and it retraces all the way back up before it comes down. I mean, that's just, to me, it just looks like bulls are waiting around the corner. They're showing they're rearing their ugly heads. You know what I mean? Austin Hare did something genius. He said, I used ChatGPT to make an indicator for scalping the NQ. So far, it's 0-10. You know what that means, right? You found the perfect indicator. You got to do everything opposite of what the indicator is saying to do. Just do the opposite of what the indicator says to do, and then you have the perfect indicator. If you have something that can lose 100% of the time, you found the perfect indicator. So we can get back to the top of this channel. I thought I was going to make a new high. I thought certainly I was going to make a new high. Micro double top.
Target.
Yeah, let's get it. Easy peasy. Like I said, the bulls are rearing their ugly head. It shows some evidence of it along the way. How many points was that? I mean, it doesn't look like much, but that's 15 points, pandas. Easy peasy. What am I now? 5-3. Rocking and rolling here. Am I? Oh, I hit 5K on a couple of my accounts. I need like about 200 more for all my accounts to hit 5K. That's one more scalp, pandas. Can we get one more scalp today, pandas? Can it happen? Is it possible? Strong bear bar ending on its low. Is there any follow through here? Probably not, because the market's absolutely diabolical. No follow throughs on strong bear bars, even though there's 2 in a row. Off the top of this channel that I drew, it's kind of doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it came back to the top of the channel and I took advantage of it with this trade, with that information. The 5-minute is completely overlapping bars. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 completely overlapping bars. Like completely. You want a new low again? Right, lower highs, lower lows. Could bulls be waiting at the bottom here again? Maybe worth trying with micros. Maybe we're trying with micros. Let's be like a silly goose. How's gold doing, by the way? Gold is choppy today. Bitcoin? Bitcoin had a big movement and then got very choppy. Looks like trading range about to happen here on Bitcoin. EMINI? EMINI is just did nothing today. What is this? This is gross. It's completely overlapping bars. You're selling up here for sure. That's wild. Okay, what's happening is we're coming back up, but we didn't quite hit the bottom of any type of channel or trading range. We're kind of coming back up again. A little too early. Huh. That means pattern has changed, right? Right. Strong bear bar ending on its low gets folded. Only on choppy days can this happen. That's crazy. Strong bear bar ending on its low just folded like that. Golly, if that was another strong bull bar, I was just gonna enter long. I'm just gonna enter long here if that's another strong bull bar. If it's a strong bull bar, I'm just entering long. Yikes. I don't know why I did that. Dumbo trado. My hope is that we hit the easy target here. That's my hope. We finally hit it after all of this nonsense. We finally hit the easy target. Are we going to get it? Is it possible? Nope. It's going to reverse. Maybe. 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 We're very close.
Target filled.
Independence! Easy capeasy. I mean, on a day like today, I'm surprised I'm making this much bamboo. I mean, days like today are usually very diabolical for me. Maybe because I was ready for it. Maybe because I was like really prepared to like see a lot of nonsense. Easy capeasy. Golly, we are killing it here. My counts are now at all above 5K. Can I get them up to 6K today? If I get them all up to 6K, I'm very close to payouts. I need to get to about 8K, a little more than 8K to get payouts. The main reason being is, let me check. Let me see my biggest winning day. I think it was probably on Friday. Let's see. My biggest winning day. Biggest winning day so far. Oof. Okay. 2,647. 2,647 divided by 0.3. I need to make $8,823 before I can withdraw. It's a little more than I thought. $8,823, pandas. My first payout. 8,000 pandas. I need to make 8K. Almost. I basically need to make 9K before my first payout. We're about 4K away. Second entry long here.
2,500 tick trap.
I'm not interested in second entry long here. I'm just really not. It's too much of a trading range, in my opinion, here. Right, top, multiple times we hit this area. We can be at some sort of trading range here. I'm not interested in a second entry long right at the top of it. I don't know. Maybe here. Yeah, the second entry long fails. It was floating in midair as well. It wasn't bouncing off anything. If this is a good signal bar, maybe interested, but I'm happy sitting my pause here. It's a good signal bar. It could be. It's better setup than this one, right? H4 setting up here. Maybe interested here. I don't know. Not super interested, but it feels a good signal bar, maybe. But look at this. That looks very bearish to me. Strong bear bar ending on its low. When I say on its low, I basically mean on or near its low. It's a trading range. I'm coming back to the bottom trading range, in my opinion. The 5-minute basically tells you the story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. And it's just, when we got near the top of this cluster, we sold off like crazy. Question is, are we going to bounce back up here? That is the question. The question. I could attempt with a micro here. But even then, I don't know. I don't feel too confident. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce at the top. So many bear bars in a row. It's hard to just try to jump in front of a moving train, right? Just to go long here. It's kind of hard to do that. Even though you feel like this is a good area of support, kind of hard to jump in front of a moving train when it's like this, right? That many bear bars in a row, you got to consider possibly this will drop, right? That this could be a reversal to the downside. Would you look at that? It's at least as good for a scalp, the bottom of this trading range. The 5-minute tells you the whole story. When we get near the bottom of this cluster of bars, guess what? People just bought it. They don't care. They just buy it. They just don't care. They bought it for solid 20 points, probably. More than 20 points. 25-point scalp right there. They just buy it. And they were probably ready to buy more. If it went down, they're probably ready to buy more. Right? They were ready to scale in. They were ready to scale in. Thinking that any breakout would have failed. When you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 completely overlapping bars in a row. They're not slightly overlapping pandas. They're like completely overlapping. They're not like kind of overlapping like this or even like this, but it's literally just chop suey. So nice scalp, right? Those who took that scalp, nice scalp. But you got to think that when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bear bars in a row and they're strong, crashing down, racing down to the low here, that this could cause another leg down. This could be the beginning of a downtrend. You have to consider that at the very least, in my opinion here. Second just short here, but
bouncing at the bottom trade range. So it's very difficult to guess what's going to happen here, in my opinion. Again, I'd rather take the fail second short here, come back to the top of the trading range. That is my... I would feel more comfortable taking that than the second short. Second short does trigger. If it goes down, it goes down, but if it fails, I'm ready for it. Thinking the pattern's going to continue here. Let's see. Almost triggers my trap. Almost. Doesn't quite get there. Pushes back down. Seeing this, it makes it feel like it's going to push down very hard now. Not interested in this anymore. It almost triggered my trap. Almost. Doesn't quite do it though. I'm looking for a failed trap now. I'm looking for a failed trap. I think there's enough signs here that makes it look like it's trying to push down. Every time it snaps up, it pushes back down. So if it does trigger, I feel like it's gonna snap back down. We'll see though. Right, look, every time it goes up, it just snaps back down. So if it breaks the previous candle's high, I feel like it's gonna snap back down. Failed trap is what I'm looking for. Whoa. No clue. No clue. Okay, I feel like it's gonna snap back down. I feel like it's gonna fly to the sky. I feel like I was completely wrong on my assessment there. I was completely wrong on my assessment, pandas. Completely wrong. Just blast off. I'm sorry. Obviously have no idea what I'm talking about here. Wow. Sorry, pandas. Obviously, I didn't feel comfortable at anything there because I'm not in any trade, but it does snap back down after this big bull move, so I don't know. I think the 5 minute tells us everything we need to know right now. Ah, the EMINI. Yeah, you just sell here. Good move. Bitcoin. Looks like it wants to make another push down. Looks like it wants to make a new low here on Bitcoin. Do I want to partake in Bitcoin right now? Do I want to sell Bitcoin? Maybe I could sell one. It's a micro, so I'm curious how this is going to turn out here. Bitcoin? My max risk is 50 bucks. I'm looking for a new low here. On Bitcoin. Let's see if Bitcoin plays itself out. Bitcoin looks like it wants a new low. Big push up, big push down. Big push up, but gets folded. And possibly new low here to make this new low. I want to make a 1-to-1 actually on this trade. Let's see. Not just a new low. I want to make a 1-to-1. Gold. Could be obvious trading range here. Trading range indicator gives us a trading range as well. Keep pushing down. Fail second entry long could be tempting here. Got an OI pattern. It's a lot of overlapping bars, pandas, on the 5 minute chart. It's hard to say, but it's an OI pattern and it breaks to the downside. New low, possibly here. I mean, that's free gold. All right, someone's giving me free gold here. I think. I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this pattern. Look at what's happening. It looks like it wants a new low. It certainly does look like it wants a new low. About 50% of the way back up. Couldn't quite get there. But lots of overlapping bars. I'm scared, pandas. I'm just confused. Bitcoin. Can we get a new low? Can we get a 1-to-1 on this push down? Got 2 bear bars in a row now. Good sign for me. Big down, big up, big down. I mean, it could be a big trading range. Let me put the trading range indicator on this thing. Let's see where it's marking it at. Okay, pushing down a little bit. Yeah, look, it does trigger it. It does trigger the lower high. I thought it was free gold right there. Maybe second to short. I just don't feel warm and fuzzy about this. I do not feel warm and fuzzy about this, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, I don't know. Nope, 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 nope. Get behind me, Satan. Get behind me. I will not just go short there. Bitcoin still making some legs down. Let's see if we can get more than that. Gold, okay. Yes. That's what I thought. You were going to be diabolical. I knew it. You were going to be diabolical. Double bottoms here instead. It looked like it won a new low because it looked like all this bearish pressure here. But the market wants to be diabolical. Let's do it. Well, let's be a little diabolical today. Shall we?
Target filled.
I don't feel good about this either. I'm out. It obviously works out, but I just do not feel good about, in general, this price action. I do not feel good about it. It works out for like a nice scalp of pandas. Like, I just don't feel warm and fuzzy here at all. I don't have any warm and fuzzy feelings. I feel very like the trade is very, very confusing in my opinion. Bitcoin is betraying me. We couldn't even make a new low here. This big up, big down. It can reverse back up here. My trading range indicator is not working on this instrument. Interesting. That is very odd. That is very odd. Interesting. I don't know. Don't know why it doesn't work on Bitcoin, but it's not. Ooh, bull bar now. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign for me. I could have held, I guess, but pandas, I just did not feel warm and fuzzy at all. Anywhere in this middle of the trading range right there. Look at this, pandas. Guess where we are? We're simply back at the top of this cluster of candles here. Like, I should sell. I should sell with a micro here. Should I be so bold just to sell with a micro? You already make like... You already scalped out here, huh? Saw a 20-point scalp. I mean, I don't have to make 6K today. I don't have to be up 6K today. I don't have to be. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this already. Especially on a day like today, it's kind of diabolical.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Definitely not going long there. Strong bull bar coming up the 20 main, but it is just looking sus. One second, Fitness.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Market's still being sus. Not sure what's happening here. You think it's going to test the obvious, which is the previous week's close? Which it does, easily. Which it does easily, right, Pandas? Ooh, my Bitcoin trade, it is stanky. Very stanky. It looked like it won a new low, but I guess not. We'll see. Still underneath the 20 MA, which is nice for me. But it's looking kind of stanky, my Bitcoin trade. Oh, gold. I may just sell here on gold. Let's sell on gold. Okay, or not. Wow, it hit the top. Pandas, like I said, like, this could be maybe the easiest market of all time. You literally just sell near the top here and just buy near the bottom here. This could be the easiest market of all time, actually. It's just going in and out of the previous week's close. Goodness gracious. Possibly, maybe, it could be the easiest market of all time. It's just the fact that if you ever traded like it, it's a long-term losing strategy. All we're thinking about is this range right now. That's all we're thinking about. Lower high.
Makes a new low. Should I? No, the timing is not good now. This could be a big push down. Right? It actually triggers a failsafe entry long on the 5-minute chart. The timing now could be time to push. It could be time to push. Could be time to push. Could certainly be time to push. I might lose this trade. If I lose, I lose. All good. Risk is quite large on this trade. It's a good signal bar though, but the risk is quite large. It didn't quite get to any key area as well, which is why you gotta skip it. You can enter short here, reducing your risk, but probability is less because it's disappointing, right? The moment you enter this trade, it reverses on you like that. It's pretty disappointing. But you do reduce your risk, so there's that. Reduce your risk, but your probability also gets reduced. Wild. It's wild. It's wild. It's wild. If you went short here and you saw that, that was your chance to come out break even, and that's exactly what people did, causing this big reversal. Yeah, PL is changing. It's I'm in Bitcoin. I'm in a Bitcoin trade. It's like I just short here. Trying to look for a new low here, and a new low is created, but now it's reversing back up. I'm not sure. I'm in a Bitcoin trade, micro Bitcoin. So the max I lose here is $50. I'm risking 50 to make around 50. $64 I'm risking. No, I appreciate it though. It's good looking out. Good looking out. Otherwise, I mean, if I wasn't in a trade like Bitcoin, like I knew, that's really bad sign. I lost the last set. The reason why I lost is because I was in. My main account wasn't in a trade, but the 19 other accounts were in a trade and they got busted. So I had one account out of the 20 still alive. I was like, what in the world just happened? Because it triggered it didn't like exit a trade that my main account exited and it was still in a trade because it hit it by the tick and I just was not paying attention. It's diabolical. High or low, but pandas, I truly don't know what's happening here. We're like just middle of this trading range here. As you can see on the 5-minute chart, we're literally going in and out of the previous week's close. You can see this dotted line with these circles. There's a red line here. We're just going in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out of it. Which is why I'm like trying to find opportunities in other charts. That's why I'm in Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it wants a new low, but who knows? It looks like a lot of bearish pressure here. Ready to shoot down. We'll see. Pandas, we're up 1,000. We made over 20K today. We made over 20K. We made about 24K today. $24,000 in 2 hours of work. Not even. 1.5 hours of work made $24,000. Why did I say 24,000? It looks like I only made 1,000. Well, you multiply that by 20. You can see on your left of your screen, I have 20 accounts available. So whatever profits and losses I make, you multiply by 20. Just absolutely destroying it right now, though, pandas. Let's not get overconfident, though. I really want my next trade to be a good trade. I just don't know if I'm going to find it in this monstrous of a trading range. Golly. Okay, big push down. Okay. We're kind of making lower highs and lower lows, right? Here's one high, here's the next high, here's the next high. It's actually making lower highs, surprisingly. We're also making higher lows, as you can see. Basically creating this really big triangle. It's getting things confusing. I don't know, I mean, I should be going long here. Bottom of this trading range that we've been in for ages. Bitcoin trade looks like it's working out now for me. At the very least, I think we're going to break this low. At the very least. Lower higher. I should be going long here now. I should be going long somewhere here. Technically, right? Okay. Question is, are we going to break down here? Or do I just buy somewhere down here? Thinking the trend, this trading range will continue as it has been for a long time. If you literally just bought it naked, just straight up limit order, you made already 25, 26, 30 point trade. So you scalped out 30 points already. So that's a win no matter what for me if you just bought there, if you had the cojones to do it. But golly. The only reason why it's hard for me to do is because I'm trading minis. I'm trading minis and I have some good profits. I do not want to take such a risky trade. Our Bitcoin trade is looking really solid right now. Bitcoin trade is looking really good now. Bitcoin's moving like molasses though.
Okay.
$2,500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
Makes a new low. Are we done? Are we done with our trading range is a question. Could be yes. We could just be breaking out of our trading range. We could be trying to get back to the previous or to the today's open, which seems like a good area to test. The area is 24,997. $24,997. Was it 0.25, 0.75? Okay, that's today's open on the regular trading hours. Let's see if we test it. Creating a lower high here. My Bitcoin trade is looking really good now. Looking for that 1-to-1 on my risk. I could even take my risk off and feel pretty comfortable at this point. Bitcoin trade is looking really good now. Reversing strong. It could look at strong bear bar ending on its low. No follow through. It could possibly mean we're not quite done with this trading range. It could quite possibly mean that. I'm not in a rush to really go short. I'm just not so certain. Because most likely this is a failure to break out. Most breakouts fail. My Bitcoin trade almost looks like a certainty. Almost. Almost, but who knows. Back to the 20 May first entry. Question is, if I get a second entry short here, do I take it? If it's off for trend line and 20 EMA, yeah, sure. And also the bottom of the trading range, just triple key areas. If I get a second entry short in this area, like in this area here, if I get a second entry short, yes, I will try. We're not getting a first entry, so I cannot even think about a second entry short yet. Okay, first entry. Do we get a second entry here? Is it possible? Okay. It doesn't quite trigger the second pullback. We need to break a previous candle's high in order to get that second pullback before breaking this pivot low. And it looks like the first entry is all y'all getting. It's all y'all getting here. All good. It is all good. I do not mind.
Target
anything, it just
filled.
helps confirm. Woo! Easy peasy. We hit our Bitcoin trade, pandas.
2,500 tick trap.
We did it. We made our $63 on Bitcoin. Yes, sir. Pullback, please, one time. No pullbacks. Oh, whoops. I accidentally entered that. I misclicked. I misclicked, pandas. No, I misclicked. This could be the worst misclick of all time. Please. Biggest misclick of all time.
Target
come on,
filled.
break even. That was a misclick. Here, yeah. I'd rather enter here. We're into it too. Because I'm feeling spicy. No, enter with 1, risk is large. Enter with none if it's strong bull bar. Bye bye. Ooh. I don't know if I like it. Do I like this, pandas? I don't love it. I'll wait for my second entry. It's all good. If it does it, it does it. I mean, I'm fine. We're absolutely killing the Bitcoin, pandas. Went short here and made the 1-to-1 on this move. And we did it. Okay, strong bear bar, anyone's low. Feels sus. It's probably going to hit it now. And there it is. Okay. Yeah, that was going to hit it. I didn't love it. I liked it, didn't love it. I think for me, my main goal is to preserve my capital that I've already gained. And to take risky trades, I just don't think it's worth it right now. I'm up pretty much 1,300 and, you know. Not too shabby if you ask me. Not too shabs. Not too shabs. Are we just in a strong downtrend now? Is the question. To me, I feel like this is trading range price action. This much overlap. Even though we have this, we have the big up, big down as well. Even though right now it's pushing down pretty strong, this looks like trading range price action to me. So I'm thinking it's gonna go back up. Where? Maybe here. Maybe at the bottom of this bar. I don't know. It's just a lot of things can happen here. It's very uncertain to me. Is this going to continue to go down? Sure, it can. Do I think it's going to do that? From what I see here, it looks like most likely not. And even if it does get this far down, I feel like it may just come back up, may bounce because of how choppy we are. This big up, big down, and within there we have this massive amounts of chop. Pretty incredible, if you ask me. Second to short now, but we already hit our target, so I'm not interested anymore. Right, you get second entry shorts after the move. With no second entry shorts along this entire downtrend. That's what I want. I just wanted one second entry short. I wanted a second entry short here to get this move down. Second entry short here, maybe to get to the key to this target, which is today's open. So many second entry shorts that I wanted, but none of them happened. So, in fact, I'm gonna look for a reversal here. It's a second entry short, but I'm looking for a reversal here. I do not care. It is just to me, this is too much of a trading range price action day. It could look for a new low, but I mean, we hit a key area. I'm going to try to take a small reversal here. You know what? Actually, let's try. Whoa. Nah. I'll pass. Almost want to take the second short now. Almost want to just take it.
thinking that possible, like, you know, double key areas like this. Enough for a scalp, but that's about it. Uncertain. Uncertain here.
2500 tick trap.
Very uncertain here. Very uncertain. It cannot break a previous candle's high, I'll tell you that much. I'm looking for a failed trap to take, but it cannot break a previous candle's high. Showing the strength of the bears here, in my opinion. It could not break a previous candle's high this whole time. That's insane. Could not break a previous candle's high. Showing the strength of the bears. Crash? New low created. Maybe that's all the market wants. New low here. Lower high. I don't know. I don't love anything here, Pandas. I really don't. I don't love anything here. I was looking for a lower high for a while, but we already made a new low, which is the issue. Oh, Sky says Panda's cooking today. Cooking hard. Lower high, strong bear bar, it's low with follow through. Do I love anything here? Still, not really. Two bear bars in a row. Could trigger always in short. Ish. Always in short on the 5-minute chart. Strawberry bar is low. I'm guessing the next target it will be the low of day. Pandas, don't forget to use code BBM for the best possible promos for Apex and TPT. TPT currently has the best promo, 40% off with no activation fee. Oh, true. Okay, what a flush. What a flush. People wonder, do I still trade TPT? Right now I'm focused on my Apex accounts, but I have TPT accounts like, yeah. I have 5 funded accounts. I have max funded accounts with TPT, but right now I'm just focused. I just take little trades here and there on TPT, but right now I'm just so focused on Apex. $1 million, pandas. That's what I'm looking for. Alpha aim. Thanks for joining. Second to short now. We've hit this low, the low of day. I mean, pandas, we're in a downtrend, but all I can say is that there's a high probability we will bounce back up. I believe in this area to the previous week's close. I believe we'll come back here just because of how choppy it's been, right? Got a big up, big down, and massive amounts of chop in this area. It's an area that traders feel comfortable in. They want to come back here. In my opinion, maybe, I don't know, maybe not today, I don't know, but this just makes it tough, makes it even more tough, right? Second just short here, do I love it? I do not love it. But we are definitely in a downtrend. We're certainly in a downtrend, possibly coming off a support. That's a good signal bar. I'm going to try here. The signal bar is just so good, I'm going to try. It's a small risk too. I'm going to try. Based off purely off the aesthetic of this trade, we're going to try. Okay. It's been a while since we lost. We lose that trade. 10-point trade. It's a good looking signal bar and the risk was not that large. And in a strong downtrend. So I attempted it. Didn't work out. It's all good. I think it's worth. 6 and 4. I don't know. Maybe I count it. Maybe I'll call it today. Maybe I'll call it today. I'll take one more trade here. A failed trap here. I'll try. I guess. Right, because we already trapped here, failed. Now we're still in this channel, which could mean more downside. In fact, we can't trigger the trap, showing the strength of the bears here still, in my opinion. It's all good. I wanted a failed trap, but it creates a micro double top right there. Can't quite get the setup I wanted. It's all good. I'm just waiting patiently here.
$2,500 tick trap.
I'm curious if the 5 minute is going to close beneath this line. If the 5 minute closes beneath this line, I mean, we definitely kept. Okay, we don't close beneath the line. I am not expecting this to push that much further. We do not close beneath that line. If we close beneath the line now, maybe, but you gotta wait 5 minutes. I'm just not feeling super strong. Unfortunately, I get stopped out like perfectly on this trade, and it happens within the same candle, and then comes back down, and it kind of makes a new low where I want it to go. Unfortunately, that happens, pandas, and it just happens to happen this time. Unfortunate, but it is the name of the game. Looking for a possible reversal here. Ever tried top step? Top step is absolute trash. It's the worst. It's like the worst of all of them. It's literally the worst of all of them. I don't understand how top steps even exist still. So trash. The rules, the payouts, the lack of payouts thereof. My goodness. Lower or higher, not interested. I don't feel like this can go that much further. High or low here? Possibly second to short, but I'm looking for the fail second to short here. Mainly because a 5-minute gave us a clue. We did not close beneath this bar. If we close beneath the bar with this bar, then things change. But right now we have not closed beneath that bar, making it look like it is some sort of support. Alongside with all the other trading range price action I've seen today, I don't know. This could be a good reversal spot, but we'll find out. Okay, we're going above our trend line and above the 20 MA now. All right. It doesn't go back up. I wanted my fail second to short, never got it. Now it's making its move without me. All good. I'd rather be patient, wait for my setup. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Okay, we finally get it. A little far away from 20 MA. It's a terrible looking signal bar. It's a big risk as well. How big is this risk? 17-point risk. Not interested in a 17-point risk trade here. Little less risk in this area right here. Hopefully we can get it here. This area, I don't love it. I don't love it. I don't love it. Makes a new high without filling me. So I can't get in the trade. And I don't want to enter the trade if it retraces after making a new high like that. I do not want to enter the trade after it makes a new high and then comes back. It fills me. Like I do not want to enter now. Right? If it pops up like that and reverses like that, then this is not a good sign. I don't want to be in the trade after that. Who knows? This could blast off still, but I don't love it. That's diabolical. It's super unfortunate. Diabolical right there. What can you do, right? What can you do? Takes me out perfectly. Reverses back down. Big push down. Trap, right? Triggers, doesn't go very far. Basically fails. I could try to enter long here. We're still above the 20 MA. I'll try. I just can't get into any trades though. The moment it goes into it, just like blast off, and I can't even partake.
Like, I can't get into those trades. I just can't get into them. So what can you do? Literally nothing. Literally nothing at this point. Coming back up here, maybe I wouldn't be surprised. Seriously, it's just pure trading range price action right now. Now we're blasting off. What can you do? I try to get in here, couldn't get in. Try to get in here, couldn't get in. I mean, it's just going right through my order and not filling me. I have a stop limit order, Pandas, that's why. The difference between a stop limit order and a stop market order is that the stop limit order, once the price reaches your order, it automatically creates a limit order at that spot. You can actually change it. You can actually offset it and create a limit order below it or above it as well. But you know, sometimes it triggers that area of the liquidity is so little that it goes through it and doesn't even fill you, and then you know, even though you put it right at the same spot as your order. Stop market order, the moment it touches your order, the price of your order, it will create a market order. So it will put you in no matter what, but it will give you slippage. When I say will, I really mean like it will, like 90, probably 95% chance give you slippage. Might not be a lot of slippage, but most likely slippage. Look at this move up. Like I said, Pandas, that little clue of not closing beneath this pivot low and seeing all this price action made me feel like it was going to reverse here. I was looking for a reversal, couldn't quite get it. And, you know, the reversal should have been here. It fails. So I tried to get in here, and it did not allow me to get in. So I called everything perfectly. It just didn't let me get in the order. Like, I put my order here, and it went right through it, and it didn't fill me. So there's not much you can do about it. Right, Pandas? Just got to let it go. I could enter long here if I'm thinking this is very strong. But why? Why risk it? It's not a really trade I love. Right? It's an overextended trap. It's a trap far away from 20 MA. Feels like a short. It does end up making a nice push up, so it works out for you. But again, why risk it? It's a low probability trade or lower probability trade. Higher lows. Maybe this is the time to jump in first entries. Maybe not. We're making a massive bull bar right now on the 5-minute chart. Bigger than any bar today. Other than the opening bar, but it's a massive bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Like, it is absolutely massive bull bar here on the 5-minute. But it's coming right to the 20 EMA. Golly. I'm thinking there's going to be follow through, but I have no clue. Let's take it with a first entry here, maybe. Second entry long will be best. Okay, first entry. I could try with the first entry. I'm not sure if I'm going to love it, though. It's first entry. Looks pretty high.
Target filled.
Easy could be easy. Another first entry. I'll try again. Give it to me. I'll do it again. This is menacing here. Absolutely menacing. First entry. I guess I'll try again.
Target filled.
Easy capeasy. Guess where we're at, pandas? We are right at the previous week's close. Like I said, the big up, big down, and all of this choppiness made me feel like we weren't going to get very far down. And the final clue was we couldn't close beneath this pivot low, or basically the low of the opening bar. We just couldn't close beneath it, and we're right back up here. We just love this area, and the market is showing clearly through the price action it loves this area with all this overlap. I mean, that's what price action is. Gives you ideas where the market's trying to go, what it's trying to do, what it is doing. So if you have all that information, you can hopefully make some good setups with some proper risk management, and then you can become profitable. Stone Cold Steve says, it has been a few months since I've gotten a payout. I'm 400 away, switching to micro. Oh, whew. 400 away from a payout? You mind me asking how many accounts you have? What account size? And what payout? Are you trying to get minimum, max? What are you looking for? I'm guessing minimum if you're like 400 away from something. But let us know. I'm cheering for you, Stone Cold. I know you can do it, but don't be overconfident here. Second entry long. It's a second entry long here. Floating in midair. Nice bull bar. Zero follow through though.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Zero follow through on this bull bar. We'll see though. Okay. Very confusing. I'm just setting my pause. I don't love anything here. I almost prefer to come back down to the 20 EMA if I'm trying to go long here. Very sus here. Very sus. No follow through on that bull bar. Anything on its high? In fact, reverses. Probably back to the 20 EMA if I had to guess. Okay. Back to the 20 EMA. Like I guessed. And this could be the push-up. I don't love the signal bar. That's the problem. I don't love the signal bar.
2,500 tick
I
trap.
don't love the risk. Ends up being looks like it's gonna be a strong push to the upside. H4, I think I'll try. H4, I'll try here. but it looks like it's trying to explode to the upside, in my opinion. It's like a very small consolidation. H4, it's not even H4, we made a new high. Darn it. Or we broke this previous pivot high, so we reset our counts. Yeah, it's going to go without us, darn it. I wanted the H4. I could not take this trade. Risk was quite large. Terrible signal bar. It does come off our key area on a strong uptrend. So you have all those things going for you, but too many red flags for me. I didn't love it. I liked it, but I didn't love it. Maybe B setup. All right, if we touch this previous week's close on the Globex, I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it. We don't quite trigger the first pullback here. Very close, but don't quite trigger it. Yep, doesn't quite trigger that first pullback. Showing the strength of the bulls here right now. Could not get there. That means there's limit order galore. All just buying it all up here. Okay, we finally do it. Still limit order galore. I don't know. Like, I don't love anything here again. Just, I don't know. I just don't love anything here. Okay. Okay. The higher low. Those people got bamboozled. Maybe be a little more patient here. It fails to catch a short. Oh, interesting here. Okay. It's gonna go without us, huh? All good. Not much you can do about it. I mean, I can just try to buy here. Because I'm gonna end the stream if we touch this. Huh? Did we hit it? I think we hit it perfectly and bounced off of it. All right. I think that's enough today. 1500, I'll take it. It's getting a little tricky for me. It's obviously an uptrend, but I just cannot get in there. I'll try to wait for it to fail so I can just short. Did not give me any setups whatsoever, and it's just blasting off. The only way to get in is you just jump in, and that's the only way you could have made money here. Let me see. Stone Cold says, had to pause for a patient at work. Oh, hello, you doctor or something. Just one account currently trading on mobile. Trading on mobile. Minimum 500 just to regain some e-files. Okay. Yeah. That's how I start. You get that first payout, and then you're good. For me, like I'm shooting for the max payouts here. I'm trying to get to. I need to get $8,800. I need 3K more, pandas. I need 3K more, and maybe by the end of this week, I could be up 3K, and I can request a payout. Maybe on Friday. Maybe on Friday. Who knows? No rush. But I need 8,000, like basically I need 9K. So I need about 3K more in order to request a payout, more or less. 3K in 4 days? It's possible. It's not going to be easy, but it's possible. I wish I could take advantage of days like today. But even today, like, how much more money can I make? Usually when I stick around this late, things are not good. But the thing is, the price action is not bad. It's moving. Like, the market is moving. It's still moving, right, pandas? Look at these legs. Like, it's not, like, super choppy. Only here had a trading range, but then it started to move again. I just felt like, yeah, I mean, this is moving. What can I say? Well, unfortunately, we don't have any setups, right? We finally get the setup here, but it's already hit our target, so it's kind of worthless. Maybe I said I got you short here. I don't know. Or I said I got you long. That was like a sharp move to the downside. Okay, second inch long. Alright. Finally get a second entry. Literally 0 second entry longs along the way up. Got one here and that's just it fails. Ugly looking signal bar doesn't touch the 20 EMA. It's basically the worst setup here you can imagine. Signal bar could be better here. Doesn't make sense to go long. Okay, that's your signal bar. It's too ugly for me. All right, this ends up being your signal bar. No, thank you. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. You like immediately lose this trade. Almost instantaneously lose this trade right when you enter. Almost. Huh? Huh? Sometimes trading, you feel brain dead, you know? You feel brain dead when you're trading.
2,500 tick
Sometimes when it
trap.
comes to trading, you just feel so brain dead. Okay, we're in this trade. Last trade of the stream. Here it is. H4 setup.
2,500 tick trap.
Having a hard time breaking above the Globex close yesterday. Snaps up a little bit, creates the higher low on the 2,500 tick. Ends up being the death of this trade, I think. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Alright, we come on break even on trade. I'm done. Alright, Pandas. That's it for today. Pandas, I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. We're up 1,569 and I can review the trades I went over today, including my Bitcoin trade. Excellent Bitcoin trade, really good Bitcoin trade. Gold looked good too. I was thinking about gold as well, but we'll do it like this so you can see everything here. So we started the day with a nice L. I went short here. And I got stopped out here. So I lost one. I wanted to go short there because of this. Something like this. Second just short, just coming over trend line, 20 EMA. Just on a really strong push to the downside. I felt like maybe. Ends up being the reversal of the day. And I saw the strength of the bulls, and I went long here, and I got stopped out here, so I lost 2 in a row. So I saw a fail second to short, thought it could be a nice push up, take the hit, and yeah. And I go long again here on a higher low, and I lose this trade. So I lost 3 in a row, Pandas. 2 of them going long on a massive uptrend, which is super annoying. Then I went long here after the break of this high. Let's see if that was a trade. Yeah. It was the fail second entry short here on the 2500 tick chart. That's why I went long right here. And got a little bit of bamboo. Just got a little scalperoo. Went long again at the strong bull bars to get to this key area where you can see I hit the target. And I just got out. Went long here and then just second entry long. Thought maybe uptrend can continue. And it doesn't. It just takes my break even. Go short here. Thought we had something big. We did, but only after it takes you out break even, and then wants a slight push back up, and then actually makes a really strong move down. So I caught that move, but did not get anything out of it. Fail second just short. Saw a big push up. Possibility at the previous week's close, thinking of support. But after no follow through, strong bull bar, I just came out break even. And this time, when it takes me up break even, it reverses. So that was a good skunk. Then went short here, thinking for the obvious new low here. And we made a new low. It's just a small scalp here. These look like little, it looks like very little. But if you look at how many points I make, it's actually very little. It's 9 points. It's not that much. Went long here. I thought we had a monster, but I ended up coming up not breaking, but skunked it. Good, solid 15 points. Right, another fail second short coming back to this area. Another fail second short, coming back to this area. Thought we could, but just scalped it out, and ended up reversing pretty hard. Went long here at the 2 strong bull bars, thinking we're going to test this area again because we missed it so many times. Felt like the market wanted to hit it. We hit it. After just 2 strong bull bars. My risk here, I was going to risk like 10 points. But ended up being a nice little trade here. Nice scalp. I'm just so scared. Yeah, feels like I just short. I was so scared to hold this, but ends up hitting the key area again. I most likely would have came out break even. No. Doesn't even come out break even. Been a nice push up. Skunk this trade. Went short here. Got stopped out perfectly and then went down the way I wanted to go. In the same bar, right? It stopped down the same bar, so there's not much I can do about that. Long here, aggressive long. Another aggressive long, looking for all first entries. Look at this, look at this, look at that. Look at that. Feels like I just short. I'll just go long here. I should. It's starting to like ramp off the 20 EMA. It's going to get parabolic soon. Like, it might get parabolic soon. I don't know. Should I just go long here? Strong bull bar neon's high. Retraces a little bit. I feel like it's about to get parabolic. Ooh, okay. Interesting. Was not expecting that. Okay. You know what? I'm going to try here. Last trade in the stream. I thought I was going to get parabolic. It retraces. It comes right back up. It takes you out perfectly and then comes back up. Is it just getting very choppy here? It's the first always in long on the 5-minute chart that I've seen. And actually second always in long. That's a scary bar. That's a disappointing bar, isn't it?
Target filled.
I'm done. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Yeah. I think the key for me right now is not to get overconfident. I had 3 massive positive days in a row. I made like 1,700 on Thursday, 2,500 on Friday, and today 1,600. So for me, the main goal right now is not to get overconfident. I think that's the main goal here. Do not want to get overconfident here. It's just it kills you just as much as being underconfident. Oh, you know what? These accounts are very young, so I can't even withdraw on the 21st if I wanted to. That'd be 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Yeah, but earliest I can withdraw is Monday, which is fine. Monday I'll withdraw on Monday if I have to. I would love to get to payouts on Monday. That'd be great. I would love that. I would absolutely love that. But that's the earliest I can do in terms of payouts. So, Bandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, slap that like button. If you didn't enjoy, slap that like button to support this channel. Pandas, I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe learned something. Maybe, hopefully, even better, made some bamboo today with some of the analysis that I've been, been giving here. So, as always, with that being said, as always, happy trading. Bye.
2,500 tick trap.